You need to hear this if you own a Hyundai Tucson and your AC's not cooling. Let's dive into why your Tucson's air conditioner might be on the fritz. First off, check the levels. Low refrigerant can make your AC blow warm air. Pop the hood and look at the gauge. If it's low, you might have a leak. No worries, a quick visit to your mechanic can fix that. Next, inspect A dirty or clogged filter can restrict airflow, making it feel like your AC's not working at all. Swap it out if it looks dusty or grimy. Another common issue is if it's faulty, the refrigerant won't circulate properly. Listen for strange noises when the AC's on. No noises? It might be time for a replacement. Now don't forget loose or corroded wires can interrupt the power flow to your AC system. A quick check can reveal if that's the culprit. Lastly, consider if it's malfunctioning, it can send wrong signals to the AC. This one's a bit trickier, so it might be best to consult a pro. Remember, regular maintenance can save you from unexpected AC breakdowns. Stay cool and keep cruising comfortably. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.